I would like to share a short story with an important message. In 1 Samuel 16 verse 7, we read that the Lord ordered the prophet Samuel to anoint a new king for Israel. Samuel visited Jesse and carefully observed each of his sons. But Samuel looked at their appearances. Then the Lord told him, "Do not consider his appearance or his height, for I've rejected him." The Lord does not look at the things people look at. People look at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart. Only then Jesse sends for his youngest son, who was tending the sheep. Then the Lord told Samuel, "Rise and anoint him. This is the one." In Samuel 13 verse 14 we then read that David was a man after the Lord's own heart. We say first impressions are lasting impressions, and you never get a second chance to make a first impression. People form quick opinions about your character, confidence and trustworthiness within seconds after meeting you. This sets a mental anchor that is very hard to change later. As such, initial meetings heavily influence outcomes in job interviews, sales, and new relationships. However, the Bible teaches us an important lesson here. How often have our prejudices and subjective views not caused us to judge a person based on his appearance, only to find out later that we were wrong? The moral of the story is to hold to our horses and to look deeper than skin deep before we make an important decision which may adversely affect someone's career. Please share this with others who may appreciate the message.